In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use PlayStation gift card on Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. While using or redeeming your PlayStation gift card directly on Cash App is not possible, there are some things that you will be able to do within Cash App to acquire PlayStation gift cards and also give them to other people. So in this video, I'm going to go over all of your options. Like I said previously, you will not be able to redeem the code on Cash App itself. To do this, of course, you need to go to your console and choose the option to redeem the code from the PlayStation Store. Inside of Cash App itself, what you can do is first activate a boost on your Cash card. As you can see on screen, periodically there are going to be boosts available. These boosts will give you discounts on certain websites, stores, or retailers, and one of these stores periodically available is going to be the PlayStation Store. So all that you would have to do here is choose to activate the PlayStation Boost, and if you visit the PSN or the PlayStation Store on any device, you will be able to go to checkout and use your Cash App card. By doing this, the discount is going to be automatically applied and you will be able to acquire PlayStation gift cards this way. Besides this option, there is also the gift card function inside of Cash App itself, where you can directly send gift cards from Cash App to your contacts. Now, I don't believe this is what most people are looking for when they search for how to use the PlayStation gift card on Cash App, so I'm just going to glimpse over this feature. But all you have to do inside of Cash App is activate the boost and then go to the PlayStation Store on any device. After you are done acquiring the PlayStation gift card using Cash App, you will be able to redeem it by tapping on your icon and then choosing the option to redeem a code. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish to acquire PlayStation gift cards using Cash App. I hope I was able to help you on how to use PlayStation gift card on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.